Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for John in New York on the RCI-2995DX CF. John, first let me say thank you for your very patient behavior. I appreciate it. I know when I tell people they can send something in, I let them know I'm really backed up and I'll get to it as soon as I can. We kind of work them in between new builds from the website on truckcbsales.com. Your train came around the other day and we started in on this. Your note said that it had no AM modulation but worked on sideband. That immediately alerted me to check the AM regulator right off the bat. Pulled the bottom cover off, desoldered the three legs, checked them, and definitely dead short across all three. So there was my problem there. Upon taking the top cover off though, I did notice solder flashing over on the circuit board near that area. Looks like maybe it might have happened whenever the amp on off switch was installed by someone. Very easily simple mistake that can happen. What I do when I get done working on the radio, I'll go over it with my microscope and then I'll also blow it out, turn it upside down just to make sure nothing's got away from me. But anyways, we went in and replaced the A1869 companion transistor in front of it, and we also replaced the RF520 with the Vichet transistor. It was still building power, but in AM mode it was giving a full carrier, so with the added stress on that transistor we decided to go ahead and replace it. Put a new insulator behind it, a new compound of course, and so we're ready to go. Also did the power supply upgrade per your request. This came in, I was doing around 140 watts PEP. So let's just get right to it here. 100 watt slug. There's your 5 watts of carrier all the way down. Now we have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 44 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 80 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. 170 watts. So we picked up 35 watts. Upgrading the supply in this one. Check sideband. Hello, 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 hello. There's 160. Alright. John, it's ready to come back to you, bud. Again, I appreciate you. And if you get a chance, if you hadn't already, I would most definitely really appreciate a 5-star review on the Google. From your friend Truck, truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.